Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best wireless dog fence is probably one of the most innovative solutions for pet owners seeking to provide their furry friends with freedom while ensuring their safety within a designated area, eliminating the need for traditional, often unsightly, wired fences and offering a flexible and modern approach to containment that adapts to various yard shapes and sizes, making it a top choice for modern pet parents. Number 5. PetSafe Stay and Play Compact Wireless Pet Fence. Introducing the PetSafe Stay and Play Compact Wireless Pet Fence. Keep your furry friends safe and sound without the hassle of wires. Forget about burying wires or digging holes. This system sets up in just a few hours, creating a secure barrier for your pets. Enjoy up to 3/4 of an acre of circular coverage. You can easily adjust the boundary range to suit your yard. Our advanced technology provides a gentle, accurate boundary. It helps guide your dog back to the play area safely. The clear LCD display shows the extent of the play area and provides helpful error indicators for peace of mind. This portable system is ideal for vacations, camping trips, or any time you travel with your pet. Just find an outlet and you're good to go. Unlike other systems, your pet can return home without receiving a correction. They'll always be able to get back to safety. What we like. This system offers a truly wire-free setup, making installation a breeze. Its portability is a standout feature, perfect for those who travel or have multiple locations. If you're looking for a hassle-free, flexible solution for your pet's containment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The collar is lightweight and comfortable for my dog. The range is excellent, covering my entire backyard. Easy to set up and the signal is consistent. Number 4. PetSafe Stay and Play Wireless Fence for Stubborn Dogs. This system is perfect for even the most hard-to-train pets. It features a tone-only mode and adjustable static correction levels that adapt to your dog's training response. Create a generous circular boundary, extending up to 3/4 of an acre from the indoor transmitter. This ensures a large, safe play area for your pet. Enjoy a quick setup without the need for digging or burying wires. This wireless solution provides a secure barrier for your pets in just a few hours. Our advanced wireless fence uses a proprietary circular boundary. It gently guides your dog back to the designated play area, ensuring they stay safely contained. This system is incredibly portable, making it ideal for camping trips, vacation homes, or any travel where you need a reliable containment solution. Unlike traditional fences, your pet can return home without receiving a correction. This feature ensures they are not penalized if they happen to pass the boundary. The system includes a comfortable, waterproof, and rechargeable receiver collar. It fits dogs 5 pounds and up and adjusts to neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches. What we like. Designed with persistent pets in mind, this option provides adjustable correction levels to suit training needs. If you have a dog that requires a firmer hand during training or is known to test boundaries, this system is tailored for you. What people say. The collar is lightweight and comfortable for my dog. The range is excellent, covering my entire backyard. Easy to set up and the signal is consistent. Number 3. PetSafe Stay and Play Wireless Pet Fence. Give your dog the freedom to roam safely in your yard. This system creates a secure, wireless boundary up to 3/4 of an acre, ensuring they stay within a designated play area. Forget the hassle of digging or burying wires. This fence sets up in just a few hours, providing a reliable barrier to keep your pet safe without the mess. Our advanced technology uses a gentle, circular boundary to guide your dog back to safety. It's the most accurate wireless fence available to keep them in their play zone. Unlike other systems, your pet can return home without any correction. If they accidentally pass the boundary, they won't be bothered when coming back to you. Take peace of mind wherever you go. This portable system is perfect for vacations, camping trips, or visiting family, as long as you have an outlet nearby. The comfortable, waterproof collar fits dogs 5 pounds and up, with adjustable sizing for a perfect fit. It's designed to withstand all their adventures, rain or shine. Enjoy extended use with a collar battery that lasts up to 2 months. You'll receive a low battery alert, so you always know when it's time for a simple replacement. What we like. The convenience of a replaceable battery collar is a major advantage here, ensuring minimal downtime. If you prefer the ease of swapping batteries over recharging, or want to ensure continuous protection without waiting, this is the ideal pick. What people say. The collar is lightweight and comfortable for my dog. The system was easy to set up and the range is excellent. The battery life on the collar is surprisingly long. Number 2. PetSafe 1-inch replacement collar strap, red. Never miss a moment of fun. Keep a spare strap ready so your best friend is always prepared for playtime and adventures. Designed for comfort and security, this strap adjusts to fit neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches. It's 1 inch wide for a comfortable fit. This replacement strap is compatible with a wide range of our wireless and in-ground fence systems. Ensures seamless containment for your pet. Our dedicated US-based customer care team is ready to assist you. Reach out via phone, email, or chat for any questions you may have. For over 2 decades, we've been dedicated to pet safety and happiness. Trust our commitment to quality for your beloved companion. What we like. This is a practical accessory for existing users, ensuring your dog's collar is always functional. If you have a PetSafe wireless or in-ground fence system and need a spare or replacement strap, this is the perfect solution to keep your pet safely contained. What people say. The collar is very lightweight and comfortable for my dog. The range is excellent, I can cover my entire backyard with no dead spots. The system was easy to set up and the instructions were clear. Number 1. PetSafe Stubborn Dog In-Ground Pet Fence. This system is built for even the most determined pets, offering adjustable static correction levels and a unique tone and vibration mode. It's perfect for dogs and cats weighing 8 pounds and up. You can choose the perfect in-ground wire gauge for your specific yard, ensuring a reliable containment solution. Select from standard or heavy-duty options to best suit your needs. Our system intelligently increases the correction level if your pet attempts to breach the boundary. For safety, it automatically stops correction after 30 seconds if they continue. The special tone and vibration mode is highly effective for training, especially for pets with hearing impairments. It provides a clear alert without relying solely on sound. The collar is completely waterproof and submersible, making it suitable for all weather conditions and even swimming. It's designed to comfortably fit neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches. Expand your containment system to include all your furry family members. With additional collars, you can safely manage an unlimited number of pets in your yard. Our dedicated US-based customer care team is ready to assist you. Reach out via phone, email, or chat for any questions or support you may need. What we like. For those who prefer a permanent and robust containment solution, this in-ground system is the way to go. If you have a stubborn pet and want a highly customizable and secure boundary that blends seamlessly with your landscape, consider this option. What people say. The collar is lightweight and comfortable for my dog. The range is excellent, covering my entire backyard. Easy to set up and the signal is consistent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.